Good morning, my grade 7 students. How are you? Hope you are fine. Today, our lesson is about nutritive needs of non chlorophyllc plants, which is page 38. So, please open your book to page 38 and follow with me. At the end of this lesson, you are going to determine the nutritive needs of non chlorophyllc plants. Ready? Let's start. Before starting our lesson, we are going to start with an attention grabber. I want from you to draw your favorite non-green plant and send it to me. Waiting your drawings. Now, and after I saw your beautiful drawings, I want from you to follow with me because we are going to explain new keywords. The first keyword we are going to learn today is the mold. What is the mold? The mold is a fungus. It's a non-chlorophyllc plant. And you know that fungus have different types. And mycelium is one type of the fungus. As you can see, it's one mushroom type. Now I want from you to observe the following image. We have two images, two pictures, picture A and picture B. And there is a sentence written as a title of those figures, which is molds appear in the form of ramifying filaments constituting mycelia of various colors, black and brown on a piece of bread in A, and white and green on an orange in picture B. So we have in here a piece of bread and an orange, and they said that there is molds on them that is made of ramifying filaments called mycelia. Now, each one of them have a color. So, for example, on the piece of bread, the color is black and brown, and on the orange, it's white and green. Now, let me ask you the first question. I want from you to compare document A to document B. Think, then answer. And remember, when we compare two things, we have to see the similarities and the differences. Good job! So in document A, fungi develop on a piece of bread. So it's developing on a piece of bread. We're only saying what we see. And in B, it's developing on an orange. However, in A, fungi are brown and black. However, in B, they are white and green. So we are only saying what we see. Now, I want from you to think and to conclude. What can we conclude from all of this? Yes, we can conclude that fungi develop on an organic matter. The bread and the orange are organic matter. And there are different kinds of fungi. Why? Because some have a black and brown color, and others has a white and green color, like the ones that are developing on the orange. We are going to start with an experiment study. So in this experimental study, I want from you to observe figure C. In figure C, they did an experimental study about the nutritive needs of the white bread mold, and the experiment is carried out in closed petri dishes, as you can see in the image, in the darkness and at temperature of 20 degrees. So in A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 mediums. We have medium A, medium B, medium C, medium D, medium E. In medium A, we have mold plus water. In medium B, we have mold plus water plus sugar. In medium C, we have mold plus mineral salts. In medium D, we have mold plus mineral salts plus water. And in medium E, we have mold plus water plus sugar plus mineral salts. Then, after a few days, they measured how much mold developed in each medium. In A, there is very little development of mold, so it did not develop. basically. In B, it developed very little. In C, it did not develop. In D, it did not develop. It's the same as before because it's the same as before. And in E, it developed very well. There is so much mold, as you can see, the white. Now the question is, what does the culture medium which permits the best mold development contain? So we have a medium that permits the best mold development. Which medium it is? Excellent, it's medium E. And what does it contain, this medium? Awesome! So the culture medium E contains water plus sugar plus mineral salts. Now I want from you to think about this question. Why isn't the mold development the same in the other culture? So why the mold development isn't the same as E in A, B, C, and D? Hmm. Well, it's because in A, there is no development because there is absence of organic matter and of mineral salts. Since mineral salts are present in E, but they are not present in A. In B, there is a very slight development, a very small development. Why? Because there is no mineral salts. So there is mold, there is water, and there is sugar, but there is no mineral salts like E. In C, there is no development. Why? Because there is no sugar and no organic matter, and there is no water also. In D, there is no development because there is absence of organic matter, which is the sugar. Now, I want from you to summarize the nutritive needs of mold. So think and summarize the nutritive needs of mold. Excellent. So the nutritive needs of fungi or of molds are organic matter, water, and mineral salts. And when we say organic matter, we mean by that sugar. Because sugar is the one that the plant synthesizes and it is the organic matter. So as a conclusion, the nutritive needs of fungi are organic matter, water, and mineral salts.